Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming for you my October BoxyCharm unboxing. Now I really wanted to film something different in between my last video and this one. However, life got really busy. I didn't really have the time to, so here we are with another unboxing video. That said, this one's smaller. It is only 5 products, so it won't be as long, but I am going to be doing it try-on style, just like the last one, so you can see how all of the products that I received apply. So if you are interested in seeing what I got in my October BoxyCharm, then just go ahead and keep on watching. As you can see, I have a clean slate right now. Not feeling so hot, that's for sure. But that is because the first thing I received in my box is this. This is the Dermovia Lace Appeal. And I've actually seen a couple videos of people applying this and it's a little weird. It's a face mask. It says here it is a black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. In the bag, we have this. So basically you take this in the tube, you apply it to the areas of your face that you want the mask to go on, and then you apply this on your face. And then you wait a certain amount of time and you peel it off. So that's what we're gonna do. It does say that you have to have a clean face to apply it. I already washed my face this morning, and as you can see, I have no makeup on. This is very clear. Basically, you want to apply it to the areas where you have more pores, I would assume, because normally peel-off masks are for the areas where you want to clean your pores. Face masks are always hard when you have a nose ring, but it's what it is. And you can probably hear my cat in the background. This is weird because my fingers are dirty. Also, I should mention, don't get this in your eyebrows unless you want to lose all of them. That's so creepy. Okay, well, let's... Oh, it has little ear holes. And then, what is this for? Also your ears. Okay, cool. Okay, I look like I'm going to murder your family, but in an elegant way. I also feel like Lady Gaga in this. I feel like she definitely rocked this lace face in a look at some point in her career. It says to leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And then I will come back when I peel it off. I still can't get over this. Like, I look crazy. Okay, I will be right back. Anchovy, you can stay in here if you be quiet. That's how this works. You wanna come up? No? Then shut up. Anchovy is my soulmate. I don't actually talk to him like this. He's the love of my life, I swear. Okay, it has roughly been 15 to 20 minutes, and okay, are you coming up? Jeez. Say hi. Hi. Hopefully you can't pick up his purring. That's gonna be so annoying if you can. Okay, it has been 15 to 20 minutes, and the face mask is definitely really dry because my face feels tight. So let's just go ahead and take it off. Oh, ow! Oh my God, I'm so happy I did not put this on my cheeks. That felt like it ripped my skin off. It's like ripping the mask before it actually peels it off. Oh, barely even took it off. Can you hear this? Ow! First of all, as you can see, I did not get everything off of my face, which I expected, but also at the same time, what is the point of having an additional step in one of your products if it doesn't work properly? I'm gonna go wash the rest of this off of my face and then come back and give you my thoughts on it. Okay, so my thoughts on this are, first of all, I don't really like peel off face masks to begin with because all of the ones that I've tried are extremely painful, and as much as they clear out your pores, I just find that there are face masks that don't rip your skin off and do the exact same thing. So my opinion on this is the exact same thing as that, except for the fact that I went up and looked close at my nose and it doesn't even really feel like it cleared anything out. The other thing too is when I look at the price of this, it is $30 US. And this is the size of the tube. This I would consider to be a deluxe sample size. This is not a full-sized product. And this is the face mask. The lace is just like for show. Have masks gone too far? Like, is this a little too extreme? Because I personally think so. I don't know. It's a little dumb if you ask me. Anyways, moving on. Before I go ahead with any of the next products, I'm gonna go quickly apply my base and my eyebrows off of camera, and then I will be back to apply something else that I received in my box, which I'm pretty excited for. So I will be right back. Okay, you can come up. This freaking cat, man. I love you. Okay, if you stay here, we can continue on with the video. All right, I am back. I have my base applied and my eyebrows on. So let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Here we have the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette, and it looks like this. And the whole theme for this month is alter ego. That's what it says according to this little brochure right here. This is to create fun, more bold looks because October is a fun and bold month. I personally love Halloween, so I like having these more fun colors for if I want to do a more advanced Halloween makeup look. I'm not gonna be doing anything crazy today though. I just want to test it out, see how the shadows apply, see how the face powders apply, and go from there. So let's just go ahead and get into it. The only thing that I'm noticing right now is there is not a crease shade to start off the look with. We have 5 shimmery shades and 1 matte shade, but the matte shade is a dark brown. So I'm just gonna take the bronzer that I use and just apply that to my crease. Now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna take the deeper shade and just deepen the crease a little bit with that. I'm trying to decide which shimmer shade I wanna go in with. I am thinking this green one right here. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. It's kind of like an olive green shimmery shade, and I think I'm gonna go in with that one because I love green and that's a pretty color. So let's do it. Let's go in. And I think I'm just gonna go in with my finger and apply this because that usually works the best. Ooh, that is pretty. I love that. I'm an idiot and my card was full, and even though I switched it, I was not recording. I'm literally just finishing off the blush right now. So annoying. I applied the highlight to my forehead, my nose, the high points of my cheek, and then I just have been going in and applying the blush to the apples of my cheeks. Overall, it's fun. It's a nice addition to my collection of eyeshadow palettes, and it's so weird. It smells like chocolate. This is not the first eyeshadow palette that I've had that smells like chocolate, and I always think it's a little weird when beauty products other than anything for your lips has a scent to it, but I mean, I'm not complaining. I love chocolate. Oh my God. The next item is mascara. How did I not know? I knew that it had mascara in it and I applied my own anyway. I'm losing my mind. I'm filming this on a Monday, so I blame it on that. I had a long weekend and it is Monday morning. I'm just gonna blame it on Monday. I'm still gonna apply this over top of the mascara that I already have because I wanna see how it works. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Man, I'm so bummed. What an idiot. You know what? I'm happy that this happened because I think my lashes needed an extra coat of mascara. I think it looks way better now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say that I did that on purpose, and now my look is almost complete and my lashes look bomb. This is great to get in my box because I actually am almost out of my mascara. I don't really have a preference. The only preference that I do have is the type of applicator that it has. This one is a bristle, spoolie head type of brush, and I definitely prefer that over a plastic, more comb-like brush, or even the plastic spiky ones. I don't know what it is, but if you have ever accidentally stabbed your eye with a plastic brush, then you know that when that happens, your entire day is ruined. Like, I always like receiving mascara in these boxes because it means I never have to go to the store and purchase a new one of my own. So that's great. The next thing that we have, I'm actually pretty excited about because this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I received it in the shade Mother. I have a lot of Kat Von D liquid lipstick, so I already know that I am a fan of this formula. I don't have the shade Mother, so I am super happy to get a shade that I don't already currently own. And with that said, let's just go ahead and apply it. So this is the liquid lipstick applied. It is a matte formula, which I already know, and it lasts a super long time. It's a little bit of a brighter shade than I would probably wear with the eyeshadow look that I did today, but I don't hate it. And now the very last item that I received, this is the Green Clean Farmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I obviously can't use this right now because this is for when you're taking your makeup off at the end of the day, but basically it is a balm. You take some, warm it up in your hands, apply it onto your face, and it's just like an oily balm that melts everything off. So you can honestly never have enough of these. If you wear a lot of makeup, you probably will go through stuff like this all of the time. So I have no complaints about getting any kind of skincare products in my box. I always love trying new things. I'm really happy with everything that I got in my box this month. Minus the mask. The mask was, in my opinion, a fail. Masks have gone too far. Let's stop while we're ahead, people. No more, none of this. I'm over it. I don't want to see anything like this in my box again. It was stupid. So yeah. Hopefully, I will be able to film something different for you in between this month's box and next month's box. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I will start being able to upload more regularly, so you definitely don't want to miss that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!